Hey guys, we're here at Road America for a Grid Life event. We got Kevin Vo here. He's got his beautiful GR86 with some of our GTS coilovers installed on this. We got a lot of features in this. This is a great environment for it. Kevin, you've been on track so far with it. How's the GTS doing?
The car handles amazing. This is the first time I've taken this car in particular out on track with the new GTS coilovers. And I think a lot of people are going to be impressed, especially as a dual purpose setup. They're going to be super comfortable out on the street, and it's going to tear it up on the track as well.
So we've been playing with the ride height on Kevin's car. We've been playing with the rebound adjustability on this car. So it really is that dual purpose. So we're looking forward to it.
What do you think so far?
Great, it's beautifully planted through there. Really eats up the curves really well.
Yeah. It's really good.
It absorbs the curving. It doesn't get disruptive in braking. You know, so all directions the car is going, it's really well.
Well, what'd you think? This thing compared to, you know, it's got the stock setup on my car right now. This thing took the curbs way better. It felt a lot more planted in the corners. I even said to him, I said when he was going on his hot lap, I was waiting for that moment where it kind of gets out, you know, and yeah, it never came. The car never complained. It did everything that you wanted it to do.